Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Best Cat 8, and as you can see, we're at the beach. We've got all of our goodies and we're going to set up camp. You may or may not know that I live in California, and although summer has come to an end, that's okay because we get to enjoy our beaches year-round. And who doesn't enjoy a cool bonfire? So come seaside and enjoy the OC with me. So we got our coastal furniture all set up, but we couldn't even get our food down. And as usual, CJ beat us to the water. Summer's almost over. We came out to spend this day at the beach. It's my husband's birthday. I'm getting wet, although I didn't necessarily intend on getting in the water today, other than my legs and my feet. It's a beautiful day in Huntington Beach. In honor of my Hawaii trip, I wore my Hawaiian necklace that I bought in Hawaii, a Hawaiian bracelet. And I'm gonna try to show you my foot if I can, my ankle. My intentions was not to get in the water, but I am officially in the water. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Having a good day. It's good to get out and get some sun, enjoy the water a little bit. It's a really nice day. Looks like the sun's gonna start setting maybe in the next hour or so. Wow, it's awesome being at the beach. The beach is gorgeous. Trying to keep my son from going too far out in the water. He has no fear. Whoa! And you're going too far out. What's that? I just need the big ones, okay? Because the little ones are going to be hard for me to take home and to keep up with, but thank you.
This one is big.
Seashells. Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Why are you spitting? You got sand in your mouth?
Yeah. Actually, no, it's seawater.
Seawater?
Seawater.
Thank you.
I'm trying to stick.
Thank you for my seashells. They're beautiful. Have fun. Don't go too far out. Is it just me, or does anybody else find the smell of the ocean and the feel of the sea breeze to be extremely soothing? I enjoy the beach so much that my bathroom is a spa beach theme.
My friend's name is Anthony.
As you can see, our son loves the beach. Actually, we raised our family right here in Orange County, so we absolutely love Surf City. You guys, there is so many benefits to being at the beach. Not only getting exposure to the sun and the ocean air, which is actually good for your mental health, but it also lowers your blood pressure and stress hormones. Being in nature just lifts your mood and improves your overall health. If you happen to have any physical ailments, walking on the sand can actually help to reduce that pain. The sounds of the waves actually help to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, slowing down the brain and relaxing the mind. And for all you people out there that are trying to work on being creative, it's also said that the beach can help you increase creativity.
Got a house, got a car, got the truck too. She a dime, she a boss, she a thug too. Sip wine, drink Henny, hit the blunt.
Who? The sun is setting. Let's see if we can catch the sunset. That's beautiful. Wow. If you ever needed a reason to go outside, have you ever just focused on a sunset? Just tuned into how the colors and the lights change as the sunset builds in intensity and then just fades? You want some fuel for your soul? Go watch a sunset. We all know that the sun is the force of all life. It gives you that boost of feel-good hormone. I think the universe is truly magnificent, and I also think that sunsets are really inspiring. Sometimes it really is the simple things that bring us the most joy. I hope you guys are also out there seizing the day. And remember, it is what you say it is. I guess it's time to roll up summer and roll out. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon.